Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, children. Yesterday we discussed about polynomials. Once again, recall those. The zero of the polynomial ax plus b is the zero of the polynomial
Minus b by a. Minus b by a.
Minus b by a.
Very good. The zero of the polynomial ax minus b.
B by a.
B
B by
by
a.
s.
B by a. Very good. Sum of the zeros of the polynomial, sum of the zeros of quadratic polynomial is sum of
Minus
minus,
b by a.
yes,
B.
minus b by a. Very good. Product of zeros of the quadratic
D by
polynomial.
a. Minus d by a.
Minus
Minus d
d
by a.
Quadratic, not cubic, quadratic,
C.
C by a. C by a.
C by a.
sir.
e by a. Very good. Right. Now we are going to learn more about polynomials. This is part 3. Formation of quadratic polynomial. Formation of first one, quadratic polynomial. The quadratic polynomial whose zeros are alpha beta is k into x minus alpha, x minus beta. That is k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. That is, this we know alpha beta are zeros of the polynomial. That's why k into x square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of zeros. So this is the formula to find a quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta. For example, let us see one example. The roots are 1 and 2. 1, 2. The roots are 1, 2. We are taking one example for finding quadratic equation. alpha is equal to 1, the roots beta is equal to 2. Then quadratic equation is x square minus 1 plus 2 into x plus 1 into 2. So that is, before this we have to take a k also. K means some constant. So k into x square minus 3x plus 1 2 is 2. So this is the quadratic equation whose roots are zeros are 1 and 2. So understood, children? Have understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Using this formula, we can find this also. So I will do this problem. Here, alpha, this is alpha, this is beta. X square, k into x square minus alpha plus beta. So minus 2 plus 1 by 3. Children, you remember this formula? X square, k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So this is the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta. So place minus 2 into 1 by 3. That is equal to k into x square minus 2 1 by 3. How much? Minus 2 plus 1 by 3. So LCM of these numbers 3. 3 2s are 6 minus 6
3.
plus 1 minus 5 by 3. Minus
3.
5 by 3. Minus 5 by 3.
5 by 3.
Minus 5 by 3 x. Minus 2 1s are 2. Minus 2. So minus 2 by 3. Always we have to make a quadratic equation without fractions, without having fractions. So that's why we have to take in place of k. We have which one taking this in place of
3.
k? Yes, very good, children. So if we taken 3 in place of this, we can get simplification, simplest form or standard form. So 3 into x square minus 5 by 3 into x minus 2 by 3. So last final answer 3x square. Here 3, here 3. So 3 3 cancel into 3 here 3 3 cancel. So what will get finally? 3x square minus 5x.
minus 5x minus
2.
2.
So this is the final answer. So whose roots are minus 2 and
Minus.
1 by 3. Children, you should find this number 2. What is the quadratic polynomial whose sum of zeros is minus 3 by 2 and the product of zeros is minus 1? Already given the here, children. Sum of roots means alpha plus beta is given already. So this is given directly. So here alpha beta is already given. We no need of finding like this. Just directly substitute in this formula directly.
Sir, completed, sir.
Same. What is your answer?
2x square plus 3x minus 2.
2x square plus 3x minus 2. Okay, very good, ma. Right.
Sir,
What, ma? Right.
sir, first problem లో 3x square plus 5x వస్తుంది అనుకుంటా కదా సార్. అక్కడ మైనస్ మైనస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా సార్.
Yes. Here we got right. Okay, we got minus 5. Okay, correct. Minus of minus plus. Okay, correct. So right here we have
Plus.
Okay, good. Right, I have got all of you this answer to x square plus 3x minus 2. Saidi?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Deepika?
Yes, sir.
Abhinav Krishna? Shivprasad? Have got it? Shivprasad? Abhinav Krishna, unmute yourself and tell.
Sir.
I've got it. 3x square plus 5x minus 2.
రాలేదు సార్.
లేదా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయన్నా? కెన్ యూ ట్రై?
బోర్డు మీద వేయండి సార్, ఇలా వేస్తే మొత్తం
ఇక్కడ కనబడుతుంది క్లియర్ గా. ఇంకా స్పేస్ ఇవ్వాలా? బోర్డు మీద అంటే ఇక్కడ నీకు క్లారిటీగా ఉంటుంది, మళ్ళీ నీకు కరెక్ట్ కనబడుతుంది గట్లని అనేది. ఇప్పుడు క్లియర్ గా వస్తలేదా? స్పేస్ తీసుకో అన్న మరి.
ఓకే సార్.
అంటే ఇక్కడ నేను ఎందుకు తీసుకుంటున్నా అంటే మనకు సఫిషియెంట్ స్పేస్ ఎంత అంటే అంత తీసుకోవచ్చు. బోర్డు మీద మనకు సరిపోలేదు అనుకోండి, మళ్ళీ మనం అక్కడ సెట్ చేసుకోలేదు, మళ్ళీ రబ్ చేయాలి. రబ్ చేస్తే కొంత కట్ అవుతుందని అట్లా చూస్తున్నాను. ఓకేనా? నేను ఇక్కడ ఎంత అంటే అంత స్పేస్ తీసుకోవచ్చు అట్లా, అందు గురించి -3/2 -1 -3/2 -1 -3/2 -1. Right, okay. -3/2 -1. So this is alpha, this is beta, children. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So this is alpha k into x square minus alpha plus beta -3/2. This is sum of the, sorry, this is alpha plus beta, children. This is alpha
yes,
beta,
Yes,
alpha
sir.
beta. So -3/2 into x. This is product of the zeros -1. K into x square minus into minus plus 3/2 x -1. So here we have the coefficients fraction. Here we have fraction. That's why we have to multiply with the 2. Taking in place of k, we have to simplify. 2 into x square plus 3/2x -1. We have to multiply 2x square. This cancel, 2 cancel, plus 3x, 2 into -1 -2. So this is the answer. Okay, now Abhinav Krishna, 3x square plus 5x -2. What we took here, -3/2 -3/2. 2x square plus 3x -2. 2x square plus 3x -2. Okay, now Abhinav Krishna, Shivprasad.
ఓకే సార్.
All right. Next, formation of second one, formation of cubic polynomial. The cubic polynomial whose zeros are alpha, beta, and gamma. then k into x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma. That is k into x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma. So this formula, just we have to choose the correct option enough. So no need of finding the values. So this is take more than 1 minute. In competitive, in this Polyset exam, we have to complete within 1 minute. That questions only they will give. So just we have to know this formula enough. So next, division algorithm for polynomials. If p of x and g of x are any two polynomials whose where g of x not is equal to 0, then then on dividing p of x by p of x by g of x, we can find two polynomials q of x and r of x such that p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x, where either r of x is equal to 0 or degree of r of x is less than degree of g of x. This result is known as division algorithm for polynomials. So this is nothing but division rule
Sir,
or quotient
Sir.
rule. Same.
సార్ ఈ టాపిక్ 30% సిలబస్ లో 10th క్లాస్ లేదు కదా సార్, ఇప్పుడు ఎగ్జామ్ లో ఉంటుందా?
ఎగ్జామ్ లో మనకు 10th సిలబస్ అని ఇచ్చారు. దీంట్లో ఈ సిలబస్ మీకు 10th ఎస్ఎస్సి సిలబస్
పర్టికులర్ గా పీడిఎఫ్ కూడా ఆఫీషియల్ వెబ్సైట్ లోకి వెళ్ళి సిలబస్ ఇచ్చింది సార్. అక్కడ
సిలబస్ లో ఈ టాపిక్ ఉందా? ఒకసారి
లేదు అంటే
No, sir.
సార్ పీడిఎఫ్ పంపిస్తాను సార్ గ్రూప్ లో.
నాకు ఒకసారి పంపి, నేను కూడా చూశాను మొన్న ఈ సిలబస్ ఉందా అని. నాకు ఎక్కడో కనబడేది, నేను మళ్ళీ చూస్తే కనబడలేదు. నాకు ఒకసారి శివప్రసాద్ నాకు సిలబస్ పంపించు.
పంపిస్తా సార్.
ఇప్పటి వరకు ఉన్నదైతే మనకు ఇది అవసరం ఉండేదే. ఇవన్నీ కూడా దరిదాపుగా మనకు దేంట్లో క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ లో కూడా మనకి ఇక్కడ వరకు అవసరం అవుతుంది. ఓకే, మరి ఈ రోజు ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ తెలుసుకుందాం. జస్ట్ ఇయర్ వి హావ్ టు నో జస్ట్ ఫార్ములా, రైట్. నేను మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి నేను ఆ సిలబస్ శివప్రసాద్ పంపించడానికి చూసి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి అది ఫాలో అప్ చేస్తాను. రైట్ చిల్డ్రన్, డివిడెండ్. ఆశ్రిత ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
డివిడెండ్ is equal to division rule. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus
Into question.
రిమైండర్.
in this is g of x is a dividend. G of x is a dividend and q of x is a quotient. R of x is a remainder. So this is the formula. This is the division rule, nothing but division rule. So in this where either r of x is equal to 0, this may be 0 or degree of r of x is less than degree of g of x. So that means remainder is always greater than the quotient. Remainder is always g of x. G of x means divisor. So remainder is always less than the divisor. Okay, now remainder is always less than the divisor. See here once again. This is remainder is always less than the this divisor. For example, 9 we are dividing with 2. 2 4s are 8. So 1. So this is the remainder. This is the divisor. So this is the divisor. So this is that remainder is less than divisor. Sometime we may get this 0. So that also less than the divisor. 0 also less than the divisor. So that is the meaning, children. Right? Okay. In this, finally, these are totally related to this division rule, children. Next to formulas. In this chapter, we have to know these formulas. These are auxiliary formulas from main formula. What is main formula? A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square is equal to, tell anyone?
A
A
square
square plus B square plus 2AB.
A square plus B square plus 2AB. Very good. Or we can write A square plus 2AB plus B square. You may write like this or like this. Okay. So from this, we can get alpha square plus beta square. So A square plus B square is equal to this. A square plus B square is equal to A plus B whole square minus 2AB. Understood? So basing this, we can write alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta. So we got like this formula. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Next, second one. Alpha minus beta whole square. Alpha plus beta need. Alpha beta. Second formula. So how to get a second formula? This. We know A minus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB.
Minus 2.
2AB.
So A minus B whole square is equal to in this A square plus B square is equal to A plus B whole square minus 2AB. A plus B whole square minus 2AB from this auxiliary formula. And also we have minus 2AB. So that's why A minus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB minus 2AB minus 4AB.
4AB.
Minus 4AB. Basing this, we can write alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha square plus beta square minus 4 alpha beta.
minus 4 alpha beta.
Okay now. Next, A plus B whole cube. What is the formula for A plus B whole cube? A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. From this,
3AB plus
A cube plus B cube is equal to what? A cube plus B cube is equal to what? So A plus B whole cube minus, we have to transposing from right to left, you think. This plus quantity becomes minus quantity. Minus 3AB into A plus B. Okay now? In place of A, B, we have to take alpha beta. Alpha cube plus beta cube. Alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to what the formula?
Alpha plus beta
Alpha
whole cube minus 3.
whole cube
Alpha
3
beta into
alpha beta
minus 3 alpha beta into
into
alpha plus beta.
alpha plus beta.
Okay now? This completed. Next, alpha cube minus beta cube. Alpha cube minus beta cube. Children, tell me. A minus B whole cube form. A minus B whole cube. A minus B. మనకు ఎగ్జామ్
A
లో
minus B whole
కూడా
cube.
చూడండి, మనకి ఎగ్జామ్ లో ఏ సిలబస్ ఉన్నా కూడా మనకి ఫార్ములాస్ అనేది బేస్ చేసుకొని ఉంటాయి. కాబట్టి మీరు ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ అయితే కంపల్సరీ నేర్చుకోండి. కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్ కాబట్టి ఇవైతే ఉంటాయి కంపల్సరీ. ఈ రోజు చెప్పినవైతే కంపల్సరీ ఇవి నేర్వండి. ఫార్ములాస్ కంపల్సరీ రావాలి. నెక్స్ట్ నేను మిగతా అయితే నేను మళ్ళీ సిలబస్ చూసి మళ్ళీ వాటిని కంపల్సరీ ఫాలో అప్ చేస్తుంటాను. ఓకేనా చిల్డ్రన్? A minus B whole cube is called formula. Anyone can try?
A minus B whole cube.
Okay, once again I will write a formula. A cube minus 3A. Sorry, A cube A cube minus B cube. Actually expanded form A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square 3AB square minus A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube. So this is the expanded form. From this we can get to A cube minus B cube minus 3AB into A minus B. Children, this is the formula. This is expanded formula. This is short form. Okay, now you don't remember, forget plus minus plus minus plus minus. After taking this first A cube minus B cube. In this we took minus as common. So taking minus here 3AB. 3AB is taken common minus 3AB. So here also 3AB. Here A, here minus B. So this is the formula. From this we can write A cube minus B cube is equal to A plus B whole cube
B whole cube
plus
A minus
3AB into A minus B. So alpha cube minus beta cube is equal to what the formula? Alpha plus beta whole cube
alpha plus beta whole cube plus 3 alpha beta of alpha
Half
minus beta.
minus beta.
Alpha minus beta.
So this is the formula. See once. Alpha cube minus beta cube is equal to alpha minus beta whole cube plus 3 alpha beta into alpha minus beta. Right, okay children? Next, pair of linear equations in two variables. ఓకే, మనము ఈ రోజు ఒకసారి సిలబస్ కరెక్ట్ చూద్దాం. చూసిన తర్వాత కంటిన్యూ చేద్దాం. మనం పేర్ ఆఫ్ లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్ అనేది ఎక్కువ గ్రాఫ్ కి సంబంధించింది రిలేటెడ్. సో ఈ రోజు ఇంకా కొంచెము one more question in this division of polynomials. Find the quotient and remainder. Find the quotient and remainder. Example, one example, 2x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. Children, do you know how to divide this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how to divide you?
Yes, sir.
Right. Taking this is the divisor, this is the dividend. X plus 2
Dividend.
divisor, dividend 2x square plus
Div-
3x plus 1.
3x plus
Out here we have to take the rough work. 2x square, taking this first term 2x square, divide this first term in this divisor by x. X cancel here, square 1
2x.
cancel.
2x.
We have to write this in quotient.
2x.
X into 2x square must come, no doubt. Next 2 into 2 to the 4 x, 2 to the 4x minus. Here we have to change these signs. Minus x, this cancel.
Plus.
We have to bring down this remaining term plus 1. Now divide this minus x with this first term of divisor x.
Minus 1.
X cancel minus 1. So minus 1. Write this in quotient minus 1. So x into minus 1 minus x. 2 ones, sorry, here minus, plus into minus minus. 2 ones are 2.
Minus.
Now we have to change these signs. Here plus. This cancel. Plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. So what is the quotient? Quotient is 2x minus 1. Remainder
3.
3.
3.
So this is the division of polynomials. So do one problem. I will give example, one example. 1x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 4 divided by x plus 2, x plus 2. Abhinav, Shivaprasad, okay na? Understood this division?
Yes, sir.
Abhinav Krishna,
Sir.
okay na this division?
Okay, sir.
All right, okay. X cube by x.
Completed.
Completed? Okay, check your answer.
X square.
Square x cube 2 into x square 2x square minus 0 0 3x 3x by x 3. X into 3, 3x. 2 3s we have to take this also. 2 3s 6. Minus 2. So quotient to x square plus 3, remainder minus 2. Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ప్రొఫెసర్ చెప్పండి సార్ అది మళ్ళీ
Okay. First we have to divide taking this first term x cube and divide with the x. Okay na? X here 1x cut, there are 2x means x square, x into x square, remain x square. We have to write this x square in quotient place. Then we have to multiply x into x square, x cube, 2 into x square, 2x square. This total cancel. X cube minus x cube, 0. 2x square minus 2x square, 0. Now bring down this 3x. X we have to divide, which will come in this dividend divisor. So 3x by x, x cancel 3. So we have to write this in quotient place 3. X 3s are 3x, 2 3s are 6. So 3x minus 3x, we have to change these signs. 3x minus 3x cancel, plus 4 minus 6. This is minus 6 plus 4 minus 6 minus 2. So this is the quotient. This is the quotient. This is the remainder. Okay now? Okay now, Abhinav Krishna?
ఓకే సార్
All right. So tomorrow we continue this pair of linear equations in 2 variables. So today I will send practice questions in polynomials. Shiva Prasad, you immediately send the syllabus first. Shiva Prasad,
Send it already.
send. Okay, very good.
Already send it, yes.
ఓకే వెరీ గుడ్. సో నేను అది ఒకసారి చూసి ఇది సిలబస్ లో ఉంటే నేను ఈ ప్రాక్టీస్ సెట్ పంపిస్తాను ఇమీడియట్ గా, లేకపోతే నేను అది పంపించను. నేను మీటింగ్ ఎండ్ కాగానే మీకు అది నేను ఒకసారి చూసి మీకు ఆ సిలబస్ లో ఉంటే పంపిస్తాను. ఇంకొకటి, మీరు నిన్న ఆశ్రిత ఒక్కతే ఎంఎంపీటీ సెండ్ చేసిన ఆన్సర్స్, నేను ఆన్సర్ సెండ్ చేస్తామా ఆశ్రిత?
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే సార్.
సెండ్ చేయలేదు, నేను మార్నింగ్ చూశాను. నేను ఇప్పుడు మీటింగ్ కంప్లీట్ కాగానే మీకు ఆన్సర్ సెండ్ చేస్తాను. మిగతా వాళ్ళు కూడా ఎంఎంపీటీ కంప్లీట్ చేయండి. ఎంఎంపీటీ 8 9 2 ఎంఎంపీటీస్ ఉన్నాయి. మీరు అవి కంప్లీట్ చేయండి అందరు కూడా. దీపిక, సాహితి అందరు కూడా కంప్లీట్ చేయండి. ఓకే, రైట్ చిల్డ్రన్, షల్ ఐ ఎండ్ దిస్ మీటింగ్?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Right.